What's up, everybody? So the first official review, I had to ponder on this for a bit, but it is the EDC pouch that I carry every day. This is a Viperade pouch that I carry every day. I keep a lot of stuff in here. It's, for me, if you got one of those everyday carry piles that you have to put together every morning. Sometimes you forget things. Sometimes it gets wadded up in your pockets. It can get really aggravating. You can just pick this thing up, shove it in your pocket, purse, whatever it is that you need to carry or however you carry it with. Everything's in one spot. So I'll take everything out of here and show you just how much this thing can hold, because it actually can hold more than what I have in it. So I've got a flashlight, multi-tool, pen, and a Sharpie, and that stays in the front. So as you can tell, I carry this. I've been carrying this for about 2 years. It's holding up really well. It's made out of like a canvas. I think some of them are called fire hose. I don't think this one's fire hose, but it also has a zipper on the back. And I carry a lighter. I've got this sharpener that I'm going to review soon. It's pretty neat. And an extra scalpel style folding knife that I keep in there as a backup. And then I've got this little compact fishing pole that you have to use those for to thread the fishing line through it. And then I've got an extra pin, because 1 is none, 2 is 1, 3 is 2, so on and so forth. So it's a pretty good little pouch. It's packed full with everything that you see here every day. They got several different models. They give you little loops where you can tie it, put ties on it, carry it around your neck if you want to. They advertise that this pouch right here is for like a little notebook. I don't use it for that. But all in all, I'd say this is really well. I really like this thing. I've tried several different methods of carrying all the stuff I carry every day. And this is not everything I carry every day. It's just some of what I carry every day that stays organized. So check them out. I'm going to link from Amazon on there. They've got several different models. I think this is an HE1. I may be mistaken. But I'll put all the details in the description. Check them out. They're like $15. So first review, there you go. Got to have something to put all the EDC stuff in. We'll catch you on the next one.